Do you want a web browser made for the internet of today? We created technology that automatically blocks trackers, annoying ads, and shields everything. You can expect browser speeds up to 7 times faster on mobile. Try Brave. It's faster, safer, and ad-free.
Hi, I'm Donovan Brown, DevOps Manager from Microsoft. I would like to introduce you to Azure DevOps, our set of cloud-hosted DevOps services that work for any language targeting any platform. Azure DevOps has everything you need to turn an idea into a working piece of software. You can plan your project with Agile tools. You can manage your test plans from the web, version your code using Git, and deploy your solutions through an incredible cross-platform CI/CD system, all while getting full traceability and visibility across your development activities. Let's take a lap around Azure DevOps and see everything it has to offer. We're going to start on dev.azure.com, where I am presented access to all my organizations and projects. As I hover over the tiles for my projects, you can see which services each project uses. You can use as much or as little of Azure DevOps as you need. Right from this page, I can quickly jump to work that is assigned to me and any pull requests that need my attention. Clicking on a project tile takes me to the summary page. Here I can quickly see the description, stats, and team members. From the left navigation, I can access dashboards. Dashboards are fully customizable. Simply click, edit, and drag and drop on the desired widget. Additional widgets are available from our marketplace. The widgets are interactive. For example, I can use the new work item widget to create a new work item, or click the board link on the work widget to jump to my Kanban board. The Kanban board is a feature of Azure boards, which allows you to plan your project using backlogs and boards. You can plan and track your entire release. Right from the Kanban board, I can review my test and task for each item. Using the backlogs, I can plan my sprints by just dragging and dropping an item to the desired sprint. Once in a sprint, we can use the task board to track our progress. As engineers start a task, they can create branches for their work right from the board. This brings us to Azure Repos, which supports both centralized version control with TFVC and distributed version control with Git. From files, you can navigate your repo's content and even make quick edits. Commits allows you to see how all your branches come together. Pushes gives you a historic view of the changes pushed to the remote repo, while branches allow you to review all the branches and see if they are ahead or behind master. The tags page not only allows you to review your tags, but even create new ones. Using the pull request page, you can review and participate in pull requests. Azure Repos allows you to leave rich comments during your pull request and even apply policies that require a build to be executed. This brings us to Azure Pipelines, which is a rich cross-platform CI/CD system capable of building any language targeting any platform. Here, on the summary of a build, we can review the commits, test results, and much more. The deployment section allows you to see where in the release this build is currently. Editing a build definition is where you start to see the real power. Azure Pipelines can pull your code from the most popular source control systems. Azure Pipelines also offers hosted macOS, Linux, and Windows build agents. Adding tasks to your build is as easy as dragging and dropping from our collection of hundreds of open source tasks. Don't see the task you need? Simply search our marketplace for what you need, or write your own. Once the build is complete, Azure Pipelines can deploy to any platform with releases. Releases, like builds, provides hosted agents on macOS, Linux, and Windows, and with the integration with App Center, can deploy to mobile as well. Let's edit a release to see what is possible. You can pull the artifacts to be deployed from almost anywhere, including other CI systems like Jenkins. Releases let you define environments and even assign approvers between them. From releases, you have access to the same rich library of tasks and agents. Azure Test Plans allow you to manage your entire testing effort across all your platforms and configurations. Finally, using Azure Artifacts allows you to apply the same DevOps best practices to the packages that you develop and maintain. That was just a quick glimpse of what is available from Azure DevOps for any language targeting any platform. Get started today for free and see how Azure DevOps can accelerate your DevOps transformation.